UCS Ultimate Civil Engineering Solutions.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, UCSൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ടേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 25 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് കിടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഫോർ ദ എക്സിക്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് ഹൈവേ പ്രൊജക്ട്സ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആർ: ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, longitudinal sections are required. Option B, cross sections are required. Option C, both longitudinal and cross sections are required. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, both longitudinal and cross sections are required. Next question, roads connecting cities, port and industrial area and defense establishment are called. Options are: option A, state highway. Option B, district road. Option C, MC road. Option D, national highway. Answer is option D, national highway. Next question, the well-known Nagpur plan is associated with. Options are: option A, construction of shipyard in India. Option B, construction of railways in India. Option C, construction of highways in India. Option D, construction of airports in India. Answer is option C, construction of highways in India. Next question, as per IRC, maximum width of vehicle should be. Options are: option A, 3.8 meter. Option B, 4 meter. Option C, 2.44 meter. Option D, 8 meter. Answer is option C, 2.44 meter. Next question, the road connecting two neighboring countries. Options are: option A, expressway. Option B, urban road. Option C, national highway. Option D, state highway. Answer is option C, national highway. Next question, for highway capacity design, what are the studies needed? Options are: option A, origin and destination studies. Option B, parking and accident studies. Option C, speed and volume studies. Option D, accident studies. Answer is option C, speed and volume studies. Next question, the transverse slope given to road surface to drain water is called. Options are: option A, camber. Option B, gradient. Option C, unevenness. Option D, super elevation. Answer is option A, camber. Next question, dash is the boundary between pavement and shoulder or road footpath is called. Options are: option A, footpath. Option B, cycle track. Option C, curb. Option D, separator. Answer is option C, curb. Next question, the top width of embankment or bottom width of cutting is called. Options are: option A, roadway or formation width. Option B, right of way. Option C, carriageway. Option D, all of these. Answer is option A, roadway or formation width. Next question, the portion of a road used by vehicular traffic is called. Options are: option A, carriageway. Option B, right of way. Option C, motorway. Option D, expressway. Answer is option A, carriageway. Next question, advantages of providing super elevation on a road is. Options are: option A, to high speed of vehicles. Option B, easy drainage. Option C, to increase stability of fast moving vehicle when they negotiate horizontal curve. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Next question. The central portion of a road for high-speed vehicle is known as. Options are option A motorway, option B right of way, option C neutral way, option D none of these. Answer is option A motorway. Next question. The formation width of a double line national highway embankment is. Options are option A 7 meter, option B 7.4 meter, option C 11 meter, option D 12 meter. Answer is option D 12 meter. Next question. For side distance calculation, time of perception and reaction depends on. Options are option A speed at the vehicle, option B alertness of driver, option C gradient of road, option D nature of pavement. Answer is option B alertness of driver. Next question. Reaction time of a driver. Options are option A increases with increase in speed, option B decreases with increase in speed, option C is the same for all speeds, option D none of the above. Answer is option C is same for all speeds. Next question. The distance travelled by a moving vehicle during perception and brake reaction time is known as. Options are option A side distance, option B stopping distance, option C lag distance, option D none of these. Answer is option C lag distance. Next question. The difference in level of outer and inner edge of a road along the curve is called. Options are option A cant, option B gradient, option C side slope, option D camber. Answer is option A cant. Next question. The maximum limit of super elevation for plain terrain as per IRC recommendation. Options are option A 1 in 10, option B 1 in 15, option C 1 in 20, option D 1 in 30. Answer is option B 1 in 15. Next question. The widening of road is not required when its radius will be. Options are option A less than 350 meter, option B more than 400 meter, option C more than 300 meter, option D more than 460 meter. Answer is option C more than 300 meter. Next question. Overturning of a vehicle on a curve can be avoided by using. Options are option A transition curve, option B vertical curve, option C compound curve, option D mean curve. Answer is option A transition curve. Next question. For the design of super elevation for mixed traffic condition, the speed is reduced by. Options are option A 15%, option B 20%, option C 25%, option D 75%. Answer is option C 25%. Next question. The slope of road pavement in the longitudinal direction is called. Options are option A alignment, option B super elevation, option C gradient, option D length of summit. Answer is option C gradient. Next question. Any gradient on a road is said to be an exceptional gradient if it is. Options are option A less than average gradient, option B less than minimum gradient or more than maximum gradient, option C more than ruling gradient, option D more than floating gradient. Answer is option B, less than minimum gradient or more than maximum gradient. Next question. The most favorable gradient for alignment of a road is? Options are option A, maximum gradient, option B, floating gradient, option C, ruling gradient, option D, minimum gradient. Answer is option C, ruling gradient. Final question. The vertical alignment of a highway includes? Options are option A, side distance and traffic intersection, option B, highway lightening, option C, design of valley curve and gradients, option D, widening of pavement. Answer is option C, design of valley curve and gradients. ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ടേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതുപോലുള്ള കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോസിനായി പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആൻഡ് സപ്പോർട്ട് മൈ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു.